going on, guys? My name's Outer Rim and welcome back to another video. So anyway, in today's video we are going to be unboxing another Gemini Jets model. I just got this in the mail a few hours ago and I'm just about to unbox it, so I'm just going to open the box and I'll show it off to y'all. So anyway, surprisingly hard box to open there, harder than usual. It was very tightly packaged. But anyway, getting straight into it, let's go ahead and get this aircraft out. So as you can see, it is the United Express Embraer E175. I know it says ERJ on the box, but the correct term is E175. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this. Check out the model inside. Alright, just to take off the protective plastic there. Just check to make sure it's not broken in any way. And it is not. This looks amazing. I love the E175s, the E170, all really just the E-Jets in general. I've never really had an E175 model, only an E170, but overall looking amazing. Now, getting started here at the front, you can see right there the L1 door, and moving down, front landing gear do not roll, but the back do, and then the famously tiny engines, and the back landing gear, as I said, roll, and this awesome new United livery. Wings are a little steep, but it's not too bad. It's not really as bad as I thought it'd be, so all good there. Overall, looking amazing, well proportioned, other than the wings. Overall, just a great model. Alright then, moving that explosion of a box out of the way, so you can see the model and the box together. And then overall, just really an amazing model. Like, other than the wings, they're really not that bad. People said they were bad, but they're really not. So overall, great model. Don't really have anything bad to say about it. Yeah. So anyway, thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts on this model. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.